Yesterday, it is class 11th, subject economics. Yesterday, we see the fourth illustration part of the Lesper's method and Pashi's method. Yesterday, we have done Lesper's method, but Pashi's method remains pending. So, we will see today the Pashi's method. We have the same data. We have items A, B, and C. Their price in the 2004 was 20.40.5. Their quantity in the kgs was 4, 40, and 24. Price in the 2012 was 4, 0.7, and 0.2, and their quantity was 6, 40, and 40. In the 2013, that was 2013 price was 4, 1, and 0.25. Quantity was 8, 36, and 32, and our base year was 2004. We consider 2004 as base year. After that, we construct the table for the Lesper's method, Lesper's price index number. We have the same data, items A, B, and C. 2004 as base year, Q0 and P0. Their price was 6, 4, 40, and 24. Their quantity was 2, 0.4, 0.5. In 2012, it is considered as price 1, 4, 0.7, 0.2. In 2013, price second, 4, 1, and 0.25. Then we see that P0, Q0, we derived it on multiplying P0 and Q0. We multiplied both these terms and we find P0, Q0. Respectively, we done with B, A, B, and C, both of these. Then we see P1, Q0. We multiplied P1, Q0. Respectively, we find the values of these items A, B, and C. Then we move to P2 and Q0. We find the values are 24, 40, and 6. After that, we do the summation of P0, Q0. It was equal to 40. And we do the summation of P1, Q0. It was equal to 56.8. We do the summation of P2, Q0, and it was equal to 70. Then we move to Lesper's price index method. P01 of 2012, when we take year 2012, we take the simple formula that Lesper's method has. Summation of P1 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0. We multiplied it with the 100 and we find the value that was equal to 142. Then we move to forward. We see the price second of 2013 year. We do same procedure and same method. Summation of P2 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0 into 100, and the result was 175. Today we will see the Pashi's method on the same data. We will find it on the Pashi's method. We will see this, whether the result comes same or not. Class 11th, subject economics. टॉपिक जो है पार्ट सेकंड, construction of Pashi's price indices. We have the data that we have yesterday. Items two 2004, 2004. Q0 P0, then 2012 Q1 P1, then 2013 Q2 P2, we have items A, B and C. We have Q0, it is equal to 6 quantity 40 24, प्राइस जो है 2 0.4 0.5, क्वांटिटी फर्स्ट 2012 की जो है वो है 6 40 एंड अगेन 40, प्राइस P1 जो है वो है 4 0.7 and 0.2. Then we move to 2013 year, it is 8 36 and 32. Then we move to price second, that is 4 1 and 0.25. It is given the data that we put on the page, it is given. Now we have to find the values, that is P0Q1 first index, the second P1Q1, the third one is P0Q2 and the fourth one is P2Q2. These are the formulas that we required for the Paaschi's index method. P0Q1, P1Q1, P0Q2 and P2Q2. Now we will proceed on P0Q1, P0Q1. 6 2s are 12. 40 into 0.4, it is equal to 16. 40 into 0.5, it is equal to 20. Then we will move forward P1Q1, 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 P1Q1. 6 4s are 24, 24. 40 into 0.7, it is equal to 28. Then we move forward for Q1 P1. 40 into 0.2, it is equal to 20. Then we move to P0Q2. 6 8 is 2 8s are 16. 0.4 into 36, it is equal to 14.4. Then we will move on 0.5 into 32, it is equal to 16. Then P2Q2, 8 4s are 32, 8 के 32, 36 का 36, 32 into 0.25, it is equal to 8. Now we know we have to summation of all these value, we have to sum up all these value. We will write summation of P0Q1, it is equal to summation of P1 Q1, it is equal to summation of P0 Q2, it is equal to summation of P2 Q2, it is equal to. These are the necessary elements that we have to need in this very numerical. Now P0 Q1, it is equal to 48. The summation of P0 Q1, it is equal to 48. Now the summation of P1 Q1, sorry, it is value I have write it is 8 0 60. Now the sum value of summation of P1 Q1, it is equal to 60. The summation of P0 Q2, it is equal to 46.4. The summation of P2 Q2 is equal to 76. Now we have all the values that we require, that we require in the Paaschi's index method. Paaschi's price index method. Paaschi's price index method for the P01 of 2012. We know Paaschi's method is equal to summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100. Summation of P1 Q1, summation of P1 Q1, it is equal to 60. Divided by summation of P0 Q1, it is equal to 48. And multiplied by 100, we get 125. This is the result of the P01 of 2012. It is equal to 125. Now we will move forward for P of 02, P02 of 2013. It is equal to summation of P2 Q2 divided by summation of P0 Q2. Only we have to change P1 to P2, Q1 to Q2. Remember this. Here you can see that it is for P01, it is P1 Q1 divided by P0 Q1. Here it is P2 Q2, P0 Q2. So where there is one value, there in the second P of 02, there must be value second. Now P2 Q2 is equal to 76 divided by P0 Q2 is equal to 46.4 into 100. Oh, sorry, I forget to write 100 here. When we multiply 76 into 100 and divide it by 46.4, it becomes 163.79. So this was all about the Paaschi's price index method. Hope you have understood it very well. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day for today.